Welcome back to Pippin's Pregame. We got Marcus McKimmey back with us after we gave him the day off yesterday here on PippinsBaseball.com. Pippin's coming off their first consecutive wins of the year, also back-to-back series wins now after that win over the Northwest Honkers last night. And 15-5, you guys brought out the bats. Maybe not finishing the way you wanted to, but probably overall a good win for you guys.
Well, maybe I need a day off more often. A good team effort. We threw four guys at them, and I thought that we scored 4 or 5 different innings. Couple big innings in there, stole home for the first time this year, and so obviously some positive things there. Give ourselves some momentum with the Gems coming back into town today, and we look to continue that in a big conference 3-game set here at home.
We'll talk about the Gems in a second. I want to go back to that stolen base, though. I was talking with Sean about it last night. What goes into a decision on like that for you?
Well, obviously it's not just a knee-jerk reaction. There's anytime during a game there's situations that present themselves, and at that moment I thought it was a high percentage play with the guy that I was familiar with at third, the pitcher, and just the situation dictated it at that time to take a chance, and obviously it worked out. How you drew it up, I guess you could say.
You get the Gems again, like you mentioned, just a couple days after you saw them back in Klamath Falls. You like that kind of setup where you see a team and you get right back at them and get another chance to do a little more damage?
Well, it's just something we don't have control over, and as far as familiarity or comfortability, we don't approach games that way. We're not motivated by who we play. We're motivated by the fact that we get to play today, and it's just another chance, against a quality conference opponent to increase our status in the standings, and we're going to go about it the same way.
From a coaching perspective, can you take anything from that last series that you can bring in this time around, or it's just blank slate?
Well, ideally, yeah. There's some confidence involved with that, and even more than that, it's just the maturity of where we're at after 2 weeks here. The progression and the growth that we've had from a team culture perspective, and I think that the fact that we've taken a series from these guys helps. It's not. I wouldn't say that it's paramount, but our motivation doesn't change, and we're one game at a time is the focus. And tonight we like who we're starting, and the fact that as of 5:30 tonight we'll have our entire roster here in Yakima. Everything seems to be lining itself up how we want it to go.
Brandon Williams, that guy getting the start. He one-hit the Gems in 7 innings last time around just about a week ago. That'll do it for Pippin's Pregame here, though, with Marcus McKimmey on PippinsBaseball.com.